What's up, extra peeps? Today we're gonna be playing Fortnite. Today we're gonna be playing Fortnite, and we're gonna be playing a squad. So everyone ready up. Everyone ready up, okay? Wait, not DSK. Don't ready up. Yeah, YouTube. You guys won't be able to hear him, but while you're looking in the comments for my Discord, because you definitely go check. Beep. So, like I was saying, you should go check the description for my Discord, and yeah, let's get started. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Smash it. Okay, so like I was saying, god dang it, no, we're not waiting a whole round. Just start the game. Beep. No, not me. No. Not me. No. I just got to. Jesus Christ. Okay, so Okay, but seriously, like I was saying, guys, smash that subscribe button while you're at it. While you're smashing that like button, and let's get straight into this. Once I'm in the game, I will get back to you guys. Change of plans. Today we're gonna actually be going solos. So I'm gonna get into a round. First, Fortnite video. I'm gonna see if I can do this. Do it. Woo! Bros. I'm so excited. I don't know much. I'm literally so excited. Okay, why am I here? Okay, now what do I do? First time playing Fortnite. Well, my new account. This is my first time playing Fortnite on my new account. Let's see. Where should I go, guys? I'm going to Tilted every time. Because I'm a savage. I might not get a win, but I might survive Tilted. The Tilted gamers. It's a meter. There it is. Or whatever you want to call it. I like to call it a nuke. Oh, there's a nuke coming for Tilted. No. What do I do? Okay. This vid's gonna be rad about my first Fortnite, guys. So. Okay. Where should I go? I'm in Tilted. No. No. Boys. What do I do? Gotta go. Quick! Oh shit, I'm out of ammo. No! Well, first death. Dude, go to Tilted. Tilted. Tilted's hard to survive. Okay, let's do this. I'm some girl. What did you say that affects my skill? Tyler's got like 1,000,000 guns. It's noob. I made you go there because Tilted's hard. Going right here. No assuming genders on this channel. So tense. Gender racist. It's actually called sexist. I don't know. Because it sounds like you're breaking it. I don't know. Makes a weird sound when you break it. I don't know. Guys, actually, enter that in the comments. Why do you think it makes a weird sound when you break it? Ooh, I got a shield push. I've actually never seen one of these. I don't think it's new. I can't tell. I've actually never seen one. I saw one the other day, but like that was the first ever time I saw one. No, I'm keeping the shield potion. Yeah, I'm keeping this. Okay. Ooh, suppressed pistol. I can't tell what to trade it out for. I'm gonna have to say you boys. Some ammo for this bad boy. Okay. Seems like this whole like place is clear. Oh no. No. Beep. Well, I died. Wanna go on a duo, bro? No, a duo. Okay. Change of plan. Now we're gonna go on a duos, guys. This might be my last round already. See, like, that's the point of Fortnite. You get stressed out and it's hard. Okay, guys, I'm making my way down to Tilted. Pwn some noobs. Holy shit! Look at all those people! What the fudge? Do you see, like, oh my god, there's like, I can't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13. I had to count it because the subscribers need to know. Because all the subscribers are awesome, bro. Awesome people need to know the truth. That's a good idea. I don't need subscribers, I just need friends, boys. Oh shit, there's a guy after me. There's a guy after me. This is not good. No! Help! Help! I'm dead. You're right. What? I thought you were going to Tilted. Go to Salty. Guys, I'm gonna go to Salty. Okay, where are we going, boys? We're going to Tilted. Tilted. I really want to go to Tilted. Guys, let's go to Tilted. Let's go to Tilted. Dude, we're like side by side, dude. There's the meteor. You see that, guys? Dude, I like to call the meteor. I like to call the meteor a nuke. Bro, the nuke's gonna kill us all, bro. We gotta enjoy Tilted while it's here. Hell no! I was just about to go to that building and this guy drops in. Whoever comes near me is gonna die. Instantly. No hesitation. Just like he literally smells me or hears me dead. He literally is in the same world as me dead. Oh, crap. There we go. Oh, God. Bro, you're dead. It's all over. What do I do? Oh, shit. There's a guy right there. There's a guy right there. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Who said that? I know, I saw them. I'm about to kill them. About to go fight this guy. Let's go. He just took that chest. Woo! Got him! I'll take this med for now. I got a med up. Boy, I'll sort out the loot. I'll sort out the loot. But first, I gotta do this. Calm yourself. I don't know. Yeah, I'll trade it for the AK. Actually, no, I'll trade my common one for the... I got this. It's just scary. That was actually pretty easy kill, actually. He was waiting there, you could tell. I'm gonna kill this guy. This guy's dead meat, this guy's dead meat, this guy's dead meat. There we go, boys. It's actually the yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I need to heal up at every time. Make sure I'm full. The most I can be. 2 kills is pretty easy. This gun's OP. It was like quick. He only got me down to 70. Like it wasn't that good. And he shot me with his shotgun too. I can't actually remember. I wish I could like take that a flashback. But I'm just gonna like chill. Bro, it's a battle! Battle of the Ages. I shot him. Shot him. I'll get back in battle. It's all over, guys. I just died. Right as I stopped the clip, I'm dead. Well, guys, that'll be all for today. If you did enjoy, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.